Google Chrome continues to evolve, and in 2025, it's packed with new features designed to make browsing faster, safer, and more productive. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or remote worker, these updates can help you get more done online. One of the biggest updates is AI-assisted browsing. Chrome now offers built-in tools that summarize web pages, generate quick responses, and even suggest search refinements. This makes research, content creation, and everyday browsing faster than ever. Another exciting feature is enhanced tab management. You can now group, color code, and collapse tabs more efficiently, making multitasking smoother and reducing clutter when you have dozens of tabs open. Chrome also automatically freezes inactive tabs to free up memory, improving overall performance. Chrome 2025 also introduces built-in PDF and screenshot tools. You can save web pages as PDFs, capture full-page screenshots, and annotate directly in your browser without needing extra extensions. This is perfect for students taking notes or freelancers preparing reports. Privacy and security have been improved as well. Chrome now blocks more trackers by default, warns about potentially unsafe sites, and offers better password management. You can also fine-tune site permissions for location, camera, and notifications with just a few clicks. Finally, accessibility gets a boost with features like live captions for videos, improved text-to-speech support, and high-contrast mode for easier reading. These tools ensure that Chrome is more user-friendly for everyone, regardless of their needs. With these new features, Chrome 2025 isn't just faster, it's smarter, safer, and more productive. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more tech updates.